Hello guys! Welcome to this vlog. Today it's 31st December, last day of 2023, and I want to take you with me on the journey of getting ready for an outing that we're going tonight. It's a dinner in Beirut. So why don't we get ready together from this to an actual nice look. First things first, I need to shower. Then I think I'm gonna go do my hair in a salon, and then I have to put makeup and then show you my look. By the way, this is a small glimpse of our Christmas tree at home. So nice, right? Here I have some New Year's essentials. New Year's not New Year without clementine. This year we're not celebrating at home. It's gonna be my first time ever, by the way, going out for New Year's in Lebanon. I've stayed here before for New Year's, but I stayed at home. That's why I also wanna share with you my experience and how it's gonna go. So this is the room I have never showed before to anyone. This is my bathroom. Before I take shower, I really like to put some candles for a nice smell. And then I'm gonna shower with my favorite caramel shower gel. It smells so good. And then I'm gonna put my favorite Sultan de Saba caramel cream, so I smell really good for the New Year's. So I showered. Now I'm gonna dry my hair and go to the salon. I really hope it's gonna be good. It's gonna be my first time going to the salon in Brumana. I'm staying here and I don't feel like driving down to Beirut, so I hope I'm not gonna regret doing my hair in the salon. Before I go to the salon, let's get into the festive mood and have a glass of champagne. Do you know how to open it?
Yeah, I think so.
What if it pops and flies? I'm always scared if it pops and flies. I'm gonna close my eyes.
There you go.
Wow, nice. Now it feels like the holidays is here. Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy pre-New Year. Iris.
Iris.
Cheers. How much you wanna bet that I'm gonna be super late again to our dinner? Because it's almost 6. We're supposed to leave the house at 8. I still need to go to the salon to do my hair and put makeup. So I'm gonna be late, right?
Yep.
Cheers. I am going now to the salon!
To the salon!
So I came now to do my hair. Bismillah. I really hope it's gonna be nice. And we are almost done. Looks good. Hopefully it will last. Thank you. Okay, so I came back home after I've done my hair, and now I'm gonna put makeup. My dress is gonna be blue, so I guess we're gonna go for something like bluish eyeshadows. I already prepared my face beforehand. I of course washed it, I moisturized it, and I already put foundation. And yeah, now I'm gonna put a bit of concealer also. Okay, so basically the plan is we're going for dinner to restaurant around 9ish. We're gonna have dinner there and celebrate New Year's there, but after I am very sure that we would like to do like something else to continue our celebration, but we do not have any plans at all. Our friends mostly are staying home. No one also has plans, so I have no idea if we're gonna end up like at the after party or somewhere else, so stay tuned. I'm gonna put some powder. It's a bronzing. I actually don't use powder, like I don't put any setting powder usually. I just use bronzer for contouring, so that's how I do my contouring. And this is like a pre-powder, and then I put another one which is even more like, it's with sparkles. It's my favorite palette. It's perfect for contouring. It also has amazing blush and my favorite highlighter. This highlighter is addictive. I put it like every day. You're gonna see in the end the glow it gives. It's insane. Behind the scenes, by the way, you know what's really cool is that in the salon they were actually extremely fast. They did my hair in literally 15 minutes, so I'm not even gonna be late today probably. Now I'm putting a blush. Interesting fact, before I never used to put blush. I didn't like it at all, and now I can't go out without a blush. That's like always included in my makeup. So the base of the face is done. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I just use the pencil to draw it. And then I'm gonna use a setup gel. This is the gel. I remember a funny video we made with Majid once on Instagram where I was showing him different makeup products and he had to guess what each product is. And when I showed him that, he was like, this is nothing. There is nothing. It's a gel and it's everything. Okay, now let's go for eyeshadows. I think I'm gonna go for this one. And I like to put eyeshadows with my finger more, to be honest. Oh, looks cool. Oh, it's gonna fit so nice with my dress. Wow. Now let's add a bit more in the corner of a darker blue. I already loving it. I like when it sparkles so much. Now my favorite part, this magical highlighter, which is a game changer for everything. And since today is a new year, we are not gonna be greedy and we're gonna put a lot. And last touch, the mascara. Another game changer. Now we only do lips and then we're gonna go put on the dress. I hope it fits. My new favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick, which is super sparkly, and today we're going all in sparkling all the way. That's the makeup, it's done. Now let's go wear the dress. Are you guys ready to see my final look? Okay, so this is it. Regarding the bag, I'm still thinking if I go all blue or if I make it a bit red. Not sure. We'll see. Let me know in the comments if you guys like this look for a New Year's. What do you think? Our way to I for dinner. In the end, I picked the red bag, and Majid is matching with me. He's also wearing a blue shirt, so we're all blue. Okay, guys. So we arrived to I. We are the first people to arrive to the place. There are still no people at all. I guess like Lebanese people go out later. Johnny is here with us.
As usual, I'm the guy that's doing the light basically, and Majid's being the cameraman.
Majid is the cameraman.
Hey.
And so, we're like the first people. It's so empty, like where is everyone?
Okay, can we go drink now, please?
Okay.
Guys, we're doing behind the scene. Right now we have Sharaf here.
Hola.
This is Majid being the photographer. Anastasia doing a photo shoot for her social media. We are the first people here because we're alcoholics. We want to drink. Peace and love.
Maybe you take over my vlog today.
Yeah, I don't mind. Actually, I don't mind. I think I'll do a good job. It's gonna be.
Yeah, Mo came, by the way. We forgot to introduce Mo, who's also
Hola.
Majid's best friend.
Yeah, classic.
Okay guys, thank you for watching this vlog. I hit my forehead with the door. This is a Happy New Year. The New Year vlog we all deserve. So, every time in the end of the vlog, I say the word of the day. And today, of course, the word of the day is Happy New Year. And in Russian, it's S Novым Годом. Thank you.
С Новым годом!
С Новым Годом!
С Новым годом!
Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and see you in the next vlog if we survive.